Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. This is the Yaesu VX-6, and I just got this Pryme accessory, which is a speaker microphone for the VX6. This is, of course, a replacement of the Yaesu version. Now, Yaesu has two versions, a little bit bigger one and a small one like this. I had the Yaesu small one, and it didn't work out after 2 years. One thing about this particular accessory, this is the Pryme SPM-142, is that the connection better have 3 rings, 1, 2, 3, and it has to have a like a what do they call that? Like a screw type setting in the bottom. You see that? Because what happens is that you put it here on the top. Now, if you go to HRO, they're gonna try to upsell you because the microphone for the VX6 is meant to be submersible, and it says right here that this radio is submersible. The only thing is, if you don't have the original antenna, it won't be submersible anymore. So the mic is specifically for that, but that's going to cost you a nice little penny. And you can see that the connection is right here, and the audio and the mic. So that's where you would put it on. Okay, let me try that. So one thing that I like to do is I like to take off the antenna and then unscrew this. You can see that this cap is part of this rubber shield that's right here. Okay, so I screwed this in. It takes a little while, not much, but it does take a little bit of time, and the antenna does get in the way. And you can see that it's nice and tight. This thing is not going to go anywhere. Okay, and you can probably take this gasket out. Let me see if I can take this gasket out. I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea. Okay, let's come back to that. Okay, I left it on, even though I don't really particularly like it. I was trying to pry it out, and I probably can, but I decided not to, just in case I want to use this stopper again. So that's how it looks. And this, the mic is pretty long. It's stretchable. I can see this being in my hip, and then this mic being on my lapel. It has a swivel. Oops, let's not press that. It swivels, and it's nice and stiff. Let's go to see if we can go into a repeater. Okay, let's see. Let's press the VM button here, and let's do low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-60s to around 70. Okay. Sunday, that's coming out from the mic speaker. 70s to mid-80s. Sunday night, low clouds and fog, 5 seconds and south 2 feet at 15 seconds. Monday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then that's pretty loud. Highs in the lower to mid-70s. Okay. Monday night. Pryme accessory, SPM-142. And it gives you a warranty here. It says get connected. It even has a 1-800 number. Looks like they're in Brea, California. Nice. Okay. And the warranty is 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. during the warranty period. Okay, depending on what's going on. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, I hope this video was informative. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe. Thank you for those individuals that have been with the channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie 0 Oscar. Bye-bye.